Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Vince, and thanks for tuning in. So today I'll be reviewing the Alpaka Flight Sling. This is the 2-liter size. I've been in the market here for a new travel sling bag tech pouch that would be good for my day-to-day use and when traveling. So I came across this Alpaka Flight Sling and thought this might be a good fit for my needs. So let's go check this out. So just to give you guys a little background here, I paid about $50 directly from the Alpaka website. This is not a sponsored post. I paid my own money. Let's check it out. So there you have it. We have the Alpaka Flight Sling gray using the 210D fabric. I currently have the Alpaka Atom Sling, which is great for a thin profile. I also have the Alpaka Bravo Mini Sling V2, which is what I use when I'm carrying camera equipment around, but it's pretty bulky for everyday use. So things that I plan on using this for: external battery packs, maybe my Nintendo Switch, iPad mini, headphones, passports, things like that. So let's check. As you can tell, I got the, what is that? I got the gray version, 2-liter. The materials Alpaka uses on this are the ExoFlex 210 ripstop nylon, the YKK AquaGuard zippers, so you can make sure all your equipment is nice and dry. A standard front zip with a, it looks like to be a, well, here's the strap. Get this out of here. This is looks like a magnetic key holder. You clip the key on here. It's magnetic, so you can remove it for easy use. And the main pocket, there's some fabric here. It looks like this would fit an iPad or a Nintendo Switch. There's a couple of pockets here. It looks pretty deep, cavernous. And on the back side, looks like we have a hidden pocket. This actually looks to be pretty small. I'm not sure how many passports this can fit. We have a family of 3 here, so we'll have to test that out. And the strap, the strap first and foremost is magnetic. I'll have to unhook this, but you can essentially carry this as the bag itself, or hook on these straps. Well, I'll have to do that here in a second, but yeah, there you go. So here you go. I finally have it all set up. Just simple clips here that go on, so you could use this as a sling or just as a tech pouch. Here is Alpaka's maglock system. It's pretty easy. Just a little clip on here. Seems pretty secure. I'm having a little trouble getting it off right now, but I just gotta get used to this thing. And then here's the front. Clip on your keys here. So yeah, I'm actually going to go to a concert tonight. I'll be using this as a pocket reliever. I'll let you guys know the pros and cons after a night out of using it. All right, so after a full weekend of use, I took this thing out to a concert here in Los Angeles over the weekend. I had a buddy from out of town come out and pretty much use this thing the entire weekend. I brought it out to a concert, went out to a couple bars, and it worked as advertised. It was a good pocket reliever. I brought a couple of other items as well to document the weekend, and had a good time. And I could happily say that I was very pleased with the product here. I want to show you guys here what I had in the loadout for the weekend. my headphones, my wallet, external battery pack, rolling machine, chapstick, little pocket knife, Vicks Vapor Rub inhaler, front pocket, lighter, and pen. So as you can see, I mean, this thing was able to, store quite a lot. Like I mentioned, helped relieve my pockets here. I was able to bring these to the concert. I was able to bring this into a bar. What I liked about it a lot is obviously the color. I like that it's small. It's it's pretty lightweight. I guess the one con I would say about it is this fabric was a little bit irritating on my elbow. I mean, it's a great fabric. Don't get me wrong. It's just I think I'm nitpicking. But I mean, when my arm was rubbing up against it, it definitely was a little uncomfortable. But overall, I really enjoy this pouch, and I feel like I'm going to be using this here as a part of my everyday carry. So yeah, I would highly recommend, and thank you very much for watching. If you guys like this type of content, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Get with you guys here on the next one. Take care.